Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, along with the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, are looking to tap into Medicare's database in an effort to vet out people in the country illegally who may have found their way into the benefits system. According to the Washington Post, the agency's request for access is still under review. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS, is reportedly being asked to compare Social Security numbers ICE officials say are being used by undocumented migrants with claims in the Medicare system to ensure they are not on Medicaid. The database includes personal details, home addresses, and billing information for Medicare beneficiaries. While some undocumented immigrants are allowed to get a Social Security number for work in the U.S., they are not eligible for Medicare and Medicaid benefits. As of early April, CMS has not confirmed to news outlets' requests whether any data was shared. The request comes after President Trump issued a memorandum this week calling for a tougher crackdown on illegal benefit claims. The plan creates a new task force to prosecute fraud within Medicare and Medicaid and expands existing enforcement tools within the Social Security Administration. So where does DOGE come into play in this? The DOGE initiative, led by Elon Musk, has been pushing to eliminate fraud in federal entitlement programs. Republicans have leaned on DOGE's efforts to shrink federal waste and spending, while Democrats have raised concerns about outside entities accessing sensitive government data in that process. Musk spoke to Fox Business about the amount of fraud he believes DOGE will be able to gut out.
I mean, the waste report in entitlement spending, which is which is most of the federal spending is entitlements. That's like the big one to eliminate, because that's the sort of $500 billion, maybe $700 billion a year.
The White House gave the Post a statement for their report of ICE and DOGE's collaboration, saying the efforts reflect Trump's pledge to protect Medicare for eligible beneficiaries. Thanks for watching our news update. In line with this story, Republicans are also pushing to identify fraud within Medicaid as part of their new federal budget proposal. But that plan has sparked a deep partisan divide over if benefits, along with fraud, will be cut from the Medicaid program. That's the focus of this week's Bias Breakdown podcast, where we take a closer look at how different media outlets are covering the Medicaid debate and how political bias is shaping the narrative. You can listen to this week's episode now on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, among other podcast platforms.